Hey guys, it's Burgers here, and I'm back in the Dragonheir Silent Gods, ready to make new videos. I was having some kind of, I don't know, holiday, something like this. I get burned out from all the games. But right now we're back, and there will be some new features in this channel. One of these things is going to be streaming. I will stream, answer your question live, so if you have any questions related to Dragonheir Silent Gods, I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. And yeah, since this is the first video for like I think over 1 month, we're going to make some summons. Hopefully we get some heroes. We're going to go for melee. Just for a warm welcome to everybody to the channel again. I guess it's going to be just crystals. Oh, it's going to be actually a hero. Okay, we don't care about this one. Okay, let's get some eyes. So yeah, make sure you hit this like button, subscribe, and of course I'm going to see you in the next videos. That sometimes is going to be summons. I have some summoning crystals, some dice that I actually collect right now when I log after 1 month out of my account. And of course, there will be some summons also. Okay, Noctaro Guard is like, I don't know, most of the games just have some orcs. I don't know, maybe everybody just, all the games decide we're going to have orcs in our game, period. Oh my god, that was a close to epic one. Okay, 400 of these gems is absolutely great. I mean, definitely I need it for my artifacts. But anyway, we're back in the game, baby. So yeah, see you in the next video.